Imagine you are in your home making yourself comfortable, but then end up paying a lot of electricity bills because of you are using heating and cooling systems. And not just that, it creates a lot of carbon emissions, which is affecting our environment. And this is the reality for many of us here. Did you know that in the UK, around 1/3 of the energy is used by buildings, and out of that, 2/3 is spent on heating and the cooling systems. And this is a huge number. In the UK only, around 24 million homes uses carbon emission homes technology. And because of that, in 2020, UK produced almost 400 million tons of carbon dioxide. And if you know about net zero emission goal, so to achieve that, almost 28 million homes needs to adapt this low carbon emission technology. If you think that by increasing the energy production, we can solve this problem, then don't you think we should think about how we can use this energy wisely? Current solutions does not include factors such as air temperature, room occupancy, energy consumption, and because of that, we get the opportunity to use and to make these optimal controllers smartly. And here I am proposing a solution that is reinforcement learning based optimal controllers, which will use these factors, and it will help us in reducing our energy consumption, and also it will help us in reducing the cost. So here is how it works. First, we create a simulation environment of the building so that we can reduce the computational cost and complexity. So in the virtual environment of the building, the model will learn, will play with that environment, and it will perform some action, either turning on the system or turning off the system. And if it is able to reduce the energy consumption while making sure that the environment is comfortable, it will be rewarded, otherwise it will be penalized. Isn't it amazing? And if it reduces, and the end of the goal is to increase the rewards. So this is how it will learn, and it will make sure that the end of the day we are having a comfortable environment, and at the end of the month we have lower electricity bills. The data that I am using for my approach is refit dataset. So it is UK buildings dataset only, so that I can understand and I can predict the dataset and the factors according to UK weather. The result, we will have an optimal controller, reducing energy cost and helping us in our planet. Thank you.